Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course we will cover how to download and install. Now open any browser and type download Java and enter and select the site of Oracle Java download Oracle India. Okay. Now go to your JDK version 21 and then click on the Windows. There's like JDK 17 is also available. It is written Java 21 and Java 17 is available. Now you can click on your Linux, Mac OS or Windows. We have chosen x64 installer as per our laptop bit. Okay, then download has been started. Okay, so it will take some time. So we need to wait, and then the in download folder the exe file will be downloaded. Now we will click on the downloaded exe file and preparation to install will start. Let's wait. Yeah, it's came. Windows installer pop-up came. Now like it was already installed, I am reinstalling, so I have clicked on yes. Now it's taking some time, some seconds, and now we have to click on next, again next, and then it takes at least 1 minute approx. Let's wait for it to get installed. Okay, now we will click on close. Now we will check the environment variable. We have to add the environment variable. So we will click on search and type environment variable, and then we will click on open. Now we have to set environment variable. So we have to give in user variable java underscore home, and then we have to give the path of JDK 21 which we have installed. We can go Windows, C, program files, Java, JDK1 and then bin. And we can copy this path and we will paste here, but we will remove bin from here and click OK. And then we will go in the system variable path and we will enter the same till bin, but here till bin, and then we will click OK, OK and OK. Now Java is installed completely on your machine. Now we are going to check like Java installed or not. We will click on like search and then cmd. We will open it, and now we will write Java hyphen version and we will check the version. Yeah, the version 21 is installed because it is showing Java version 21, and same version is installed in our system, and we can see in the C folder Java JDK 21 version. In program files Java JDK 21%. So it is successfully installed. Okay. So thank you. Please like, do share, and if you have any question, please comment. I will reply.